So what do you need to know how to do?
Upload the modules to the course.
So you go to Classroom.
Okay, let me ask you something. Do I need to upload the modules on my laptop or can I do it on my phone?
I think your laptop would be better or easier, but
Okay.
you could do it from either one.
Okay. All right, then I'm missing something here. All right, so go ahead.
So here I'm in Classroom.
Uh-huh.
So do you already have the class created?
Let me pull it up on my phone. One sec.
So these are all courses. See these?
Here, yeah. Okay.
And if I want to do a
Here.
new course, I go here and hit new course. I'm going to go to your
Perfect. Yeah, you do it. Yes.
Wellness
In the
Way.
classroom, yeah, you'll see it. So I put up start here to acclimate because people who join, who I know, like from Facebook, they've never been on school. They don't know what it is.
Now let me go back to your Classroom.
Okay. All right.
Then you want
There
to be
it
in the
is.
school one or the Build
No,
and Thrive course?
the Rebuild and Thrive course.
Okay, here we are.
Yeah.
So now what do you want to do?
I want to upload a module.
Well, so you already have one started. It's called New Page. See it?
Okay, what am I missing? Yes, I do.
Go over here, you see the pencil?
Yes.
Click on that. And now you can type whatever you want to name your new page. And then here you can put all your content. Here you can put a link. Here you can put an image. Here you could put HTML code. You could put a video here.
So what I wound up doing was putting the videos on YouTube. I I filmed them on Zoom, not Zoom, Loom. But there's no way to edit them if I'm doing it like that, and I have to be able to edit them. So
You can't edit them on Loom?
no, not that I saw.
Oh, yeah. Do you have a paid membership on Loom?
Uh-uh.
Oh, yeah. If
Oh,
you have a paid Loom, they're really good for editing.
oh,
How do
okay.
you edit them on YouTube?
CapCut.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you can do the same thing on Loom. You just download the computer from Loom to your download from Loom to your computer and edit with CapCut.
That's what I did.
Yeah.
So
So
that would
if
work?
you, yeah.
Okay.
So you just open that and put your, oh, that's to upload a file. Oh, here's the video. Click on that and put your YouTube link in there and hit add.
Okay, so you sweetheart, I'm sorry. I can't pet you right now. So what you clicked there was you clicked
The little video button
the
here
video, and then that brought,
and just put your YouTube link in there.
what am I missing? All right,
And
here.
then whatever you name the page will go in this bar. See where my mouse is? Whatever you name the page will go right here.
So I can use Loom on my laptop. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That was the other thing, was that I didn't think I could. So, all right. Well, then if I can upload it back to Loom, that would make more sense than using YouTube for this.
Sometimes I like Loom better because on YouTube, if people click through your video, then they're going to be on YouTube instead of your community,
Right.
and they're going to have all kinds of ads.
That's it. Yeah, that's why I don't
Yeah.
want to use YouTube. It's just
Yeah.
way too many distractions on YouTube.
What do you want to name your page?
This would be the introductory module for the first one. And
Say
here,
introduction.
let me,
So now it says introduction. So you just go to your module, you go to your class or the course that you created,
uh-huh,
click on the course.
uh-huh.
Then, if you want to add a new page, you go up here and add a page right here.
Okay. And so the pages would be for each module.
You can make each module a page.
Yeah.
Then you come over here to the pencil and edit. And
Okay.
then it's just like using Microsoft Word or Google Docs or anything else.
Okay.
And you can upload files. You can do a hyperlink and put your link right in there like that.
So I can use, so the hyperlink could just be the link for the correct, for the
Yeah,
YouTube.
if you want to link straight to a, if you're going to do a video, if you can do one video per module.
Yeah.
So you click this little button here
Uh-huh.
and put the URL to the video, whether it be Loom or YouTube, and the video will show up at the top of the module.
Okay.
And then you can put text down below, and you can put as much text as you want.
Okay. All right. I think I've got this now. So let
Yeah,
me ask. Oh,
I'll
go
show
ahead.
you one that I'm recently working on.
That's,
Here's my Pool Skool,
yeah. Yeah. Let me see Pool Skool.
and so I've just started a classroom here. And this one, I did not put a video in the mod. I put a link to the video here, but I think on module 2, one of these I have a video. Oh, here we go.
Is that you?
Yeah, a long time ago.
You're looking all young.
Can you see it?
Can. You know what? I'm trying to see you and you're in it to compare and you're in the dark, so I can't. It's so interesting to see people
See,
like that.
how's that?
Yeah, there. Well, you have a full beard and mustache. Is that your current house? Is that the same place?
That's what we call the man cave. That's our Airbnb.
Oh, cool. Boom. Look at that.
That was from about 20 years ago. I think that video was 16 years ago. So I already have all my content, but I created that, and then I did this one. There's another video, and then I put this in here. There's some pictures, and then there's the bridge hand, how to hold your cue. So this is the course that I'm putting together.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this one I put a link to a video here, so that'll take you to YouTube.
So if I use Loom, do my videos need to be constrained then to 4 minutes? Because
If you don't have a paid account on Loom, yeah.
oh, okay, that's with the paid account. Gotcha. That's okay.
But anyway, so that's all. So if I want to edit this, I just go here, and then I could edit my module, and I could go in here and add whatever.
Okay.
It's no different than Google Doc or Microsoft Word.
So I'm got a workbook that I was going to put with it. Do you think I should do the workbook separately for people to download it, or should I do something
Yeah,
like
so
it?
if you wanted to do that, you could go here and you could add, hold on, Sarah. Let me see how Sarah did these. She put a link to Google Docs right here.
Yeah, I went through all this, I think.
And here she put a PDF. So she must have uploaded this file.
Yeah. I have articles that I'd like to upload for people that I've used before, but they're good articles.
I'm not sure how she uploaded this PDF. It's just a file. Where do you upload a file?
So go to link. Oh, it's there. Tell me.
Maybe she uploaded an image. Probably just a file name. So she uploaded an image and she put the PDF in there.
Oh, that's a good idea.
But anyway, hopefully that helps you.